In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Facebook carousel ad in 2021 the easiest way. So if you want to create an ad like this, so this is a carousel ad, then you need to keep watching this video. So what you can do with these ads is simply use multiple images to multiple pages and multiple offers if you want to, or you can just add more images for branding to one specific product. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do that, and let's get started right now. Alright, you want to start off by opening your Facebook Ad Manager. Next up, you want to click on Create like you would always do when setting up a brand new campaign. Next up, you need to choose a campaign objective. So what I'm going to do right now is send traffic to my store, to these products. So I'm going to go with traffic, but you can also go with any other objective. But for the sake of the video, I'm going to go with traffic, and I'm going to click on continue. So what they're going to do right now is send you over here, and all of that is fine. So what I'm going to do first is simply set up a normal campaign. So you simply want to go through all of these, so the different levels of ad sets, and then finally at this one, I'm going to show you how you can set up the carousel ad. So what I'm going to do right now is simply skip all of this stuff and just skip to the part where you can set up the Facebook carousel ad. Now that doesn't mean that you want to ignore all of this. You simply want to set this up like you would normally do. So you would send traffic to your website maybe, or you want to go to an app or Messenger or even WhatsApp. So set this up like you would normally do. I'm going to change the budget to €5, just like that. But yeah, like I said, just set this up like you would normally do. Then click next, and then you'll end up at the new ad section. And this is where you can set up the Facebook carousel ad. So what I'm going to do right now is use test one more time. Then if you scroll down, you'll see the ad setup. Right there, you can choose the format. Choose how you would like to structure your ad. So you can choose single image or video. And then right there, we've got the carousel ad. You of course want to go with carousel right here so that you can add 2 or more scrollable images or videos. So select that option right there, and you'll then see what it looks like. Now, if you simply scroll down and you skip to this part right there, we can start adding ad creatives. So this is where you would add the images, headlines, and descriptions. So if you simply click select image, what you can do is use images that you've already been using, or you can upload brand new images. So I'm going to click upload. I'm going to go to my downloads, and then let's see, I'm going to select a phone case from the store. So I'm going to go with this one, and then I'm going to send people over to the bestseller pages or even a specific product. And that's what I like about the carousel ads. You can send them to your homepage, but you can also send them to a specific product page in the second picture, if that makes sense. So I'm going to click continue for now. So that's it for picture number 1. Next up, you can add a headline to that specific image, which will then show up beneath that specific image. So I'm just going to go with don't stop phone case. So you want to basically make sure that you use a good converting headline right there, whatever that may be in your case, and then right there another description. So I'm going to say shop your now, just like that. Now that's the headline and the description. I'll show you how that will show up right here. So if I simply scroll down, it will show up like that. Don't stop phone case, and then right there the description. Next up, you can add a link to that specific page or to your home page. So this is just for the first image only. So what I can do is go to my actual store, and then I'm going to click on that product. If I then copy that link and then use that on here, what I can do is send people over to that specific page so that they can shop this specific product. And that's why these carousel ads are so cool. You can send them to specific pages within one ad, if that makes sense. What you can do next for the second picture is simply click on the plus icon right there, and then click select image. And you simply need to do the exact same thing like you just did to set up the first one. So you would select another picture, then click continue in the bottom right corner, and then once again you can set up the headlines, descriptions, and a specific website URL to that specific product or to whatever page you want to send them to. So maybe with the second picture, I want to send them over to my home page. So what I would do is simply copy the link, then paste that in there so that for the second image, it's not going to send them to the specific product page, but to my home page, all right? And that's how we do that. So test number 2, and then right there, I'm gonna put description 2, or just like that. So please make sure to use actual headlines and descriptions. I'm just trying to show you guys what it will look like. And then as you guys can see right there, test number 2 will then show up. Now you can add up to 10 different images, so up to 10 different of these, and then you're pretty much done. So what you can do right now is simply set up the call to action like you would normally do, the see more URL, which could be my home page, and then you can pretty much do whatever you do normally when setting up an ad campaign, and then you're done. So that's pretty much where you can set up the Facebook carousel ads. It's as easy as that. Now you can then click review to see what it will look like, and you'll then see a preview of your Facebook carousel ad. So as of right now, we can see the phone case. The image isn't great for this, but it's just about showing you guys how it works. So don't shop phone case, shop your don't stop phone case now. And then the second one is going to be this one, test number 2, description 2, and you can build up to 10 of these. And that's pretty much how you can do this. Then finally, we've got the see more, and then learn more, and then also this one. If people click right there, they'll be brought over to my page. So please don't pay attention to all of the images and the names and all of that. I'm just trying to show you the technical side of setting this up. So if this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. Let me know if you have any questions down below, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day.